Hey there everybody, Twoloosebricks here, and the other day FedEx came with an order. Yes, so here's my haul. So basically I ordered 3 sets and I got 2 free. Now the third set, because I got 1, 2, and the third set is put away. I can't reveal what it is yet because it is for someone for Christmas, and if they see this in the review here of my mail haul, then they'll know what it is. So I cannot very well show that. Anyway, I'll get onto the freebies in just a second. So what I did order was the Hogwarts Fluffy Encounter to add on to our castle, as well as the Polyjuice Potion Mistake. And with the other item that I ordered, I had enough to get the free Adidas sneaker. That's the small mini one with the minifigure, of course. And that looks pretty neat. And I had a choice between a skateboard, or yeah, I think it was a skateboard guy in a little car or something, or this magic box with I think it's Emma in it, probably. So I chose that one because it's got some better looking parts, and it's got a rabbit in it. So for part wise, I chose that one. And that's about as quick as the haul that I can say that I've ever done. Well, I might have done a quicker one, but that's the haul right there. 4 little items. Well, actually 5, like I said, but one's hidden until Christmas. And I'll reveal that when it is presented to the person. Anyway, talk to you guys again very soon.